Hey there, people. Well, I wasn't really gonna go scrapping today, but found this stove on the side of the road. Might as well pick that up, eh? I think I seen something behind this truck on this street here. I don't know, but I'll soon find out. It's white. Looks like a washer to me. Oh yeah. Well, this one I'll go knock at the door to make sure. It's obviously garbage. Well, it was a dryer. There's also this swing here, but I'm gonna save that for after. I just started, so let's go get some heavier stuff, and if I have to, I'll come back for that. Dishwasher. I thought I scored myself a good tripod there. Guys are doing some surveying, or I don't know. An exercise bike. We'll grab that. That weighs at 10. Check out this guy's car. He gave me a hand to load that exercise bike. Nice guy. Probably hung out with him for a half hour checking that thing out. Very nice. Nope. So yeah, I went back to pick up that swing. Guess what? It was gone. I'll say it again, there's just too many scrappers, but I did pretty good so far today. Another scrapper. This guy lives down the street from me. He's taking my run. Oh well, you can have my last treat, buddy. Well, there we go. Turned out to be a pretty good day. Better than usual, that's for sure. My neighbor, Sexy Mandy, gave me this. It doesn't work, but... And I still have all this stuff to bring back, so... I got a load for tomorrow, that's for sure. Alright, now that I'm done scrapping, I'm on a new mission. Gassolean dropped by my house earlier today, and he's having a bit of a barbecue tonight, so... We're on our way to go check that out. We'll go hang out with Gassolean for a while. See you there. So we made it to Gassolean's. He's gonna show me how to cook tonight. He's gonna show me how it's really done.
Yeah, the white man's cheat meal. Angus hamburgers from the president. The president, only the president eats these. And it's the president's barbecue. Like, I mean, I'm not fucking around here. Like, seriously.
Can't start a barbecue without a couple beers. Oh yeah, baby.
I poked a hole in the thing there, and the bacon fat's falling through there and creating some charbroil effect.
Awesomeness. Smells wicked anyway. Yeah, I was checking out Facebook the other day, and you guys know Chevy 4x4 from YouTube? Eve? Well, he said he was bored one day and he did something to this truck. Let's go see what he did. No, he didn't make the flat. Chef Presidente is giving her.
That doesn't sound healthy.
It's a big toad. Shop toad.
Fucking right, shop toad.
Have 30 grand in it, you might get...
Like 2-3 months ago, fuck.
He's your friend. Oh. Lick it.
No, I'm not gonna lick it.
But you might be a bit low on air on that side.
No.
Well, it's only flat at the bottom.
Airless tires.
Eh?
The airless tires.
Can't kill those old Chevys, man. Like I said, there's always something going on at Riva's Radical Rides. Me too, I wish mine looked like that, so I wouldn't care about it so much. Poor old Chevy. Guess it's seen better days, eh? At least it still steers. It still rides, actually. On the rubbers.
Hey, somebody's beer's on the back.
It was.
Right off now. Watch you don't shit the steel out. Like all the lights work in here back. There's just no reverse light. Yeah, but that's easy to fix. You put big spots. Yeah.
I guess I'm pretty much done here at Gassolean's there. We're gonna let the boys play. Go home and go to sleep. And what I meant about sleep is come home and drink some more beer. Like, Steph doesn't live down the street from me. Like, it's a good half-hour drive, I guess, 20 minutes. But anyway, thanks to Steph for having me over for supper and that. Great barbecue, buddy. Cheers to Gassolean. So right on, people. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later. There's one for Adam.